don't know whether this is right. It seems a lot drier and a lot whiter. So today we're gonna try and fry mihun. So I got the mihun soaking right over here. I got mihun all over the counter. Is this gonna work? Well, there's only one way to find out. Okay, first of all, we're gonna be frying the meat. So because I want it to be slightly saucy, I'm gonna add soy sauce. Okay, now we're gonna do the mihun. Oh no. Okay, and then I'm gonna add veggie. Then we're gonna add the meat and the sauce. I don't know whether this is right. It seems a lot drier and a lot whiter than I thought it would look like, but we're gonna try it anyway. So I'm on the sofa because this is so easy to eat and I want to watch TV. But this mihun is definitely not what I envisioned when I started cooking it, but we're gonna see whether it tastes good. The taste is okay, but kind of stuck together. Like I can taste that it's stuck together. I don't understand. Did I not use enough oil? Did I not use enough water? If you know, comment, let me know. And I've still got mihun, so I can try it again. I'll see you tomorrow with whatever else I can come up with. I need to get the ingredients to everything. I've only got half recipes to everything. Anyway, bye.